Today, we find ourselves in the magnificent city of Prague, the capital of the Czech Republic. Our journey begins at the iconic clock tower in the heart of the city's old town. Let's explore this enchanting city together. The towering clock tower, an architectural marvel that stands tall and proud, dominates the city skyline. This majestic structure not only serves as a timekeeper but also holds a significant place in the history and culture of the city. As we approach the towering clock tower, we can't help but be in awe of its imposing presence. Its intricate design and meticulous craftsmanship are a testament to the skill and artistry of the architects and builders who brought this masterpiece to life. The clock face, with its ornate details and Roman numerals, is a work of art in itself. Welcome to the enchanting old town center near the astronomical tower, a place where history comes alive and the charm of Prague's past is preserved. As we stroll through the cobblestone streets, we are immediately transported back in time. The buildings that surround us exude a sense of grandeur and elegance, with their intricate facades and ornate decorations. The astronomical tower, standing tall and proud, is the centerpiece of this historic square. Its striking Gothic architecture and intricate astronomical clock make it a true gem of the city. Every hour, visitors gather to witness the spectacle of the clock's moving figures and chiming bells, a tradition that has captivated people for centuries. The square itself is a bustling hub of activity, filled with street performers, artists, and vendors offering a myriad of goods. The lively atmosphere is infectious, drawing locals and tourists alike to soak in the vibrant energy of the place. As we explore the narrow winding streets of the old town center, we come across charming shops selling traditional crafts, local delicacies, and unique souvenirs. It's the perfect place to indulge in some shopping and take home a piece of Prague's rich cultural heritage. The old town center is also home to a plethora of cafes and restaurants, where you can savor traditional Czech cuisine or indulge in international flavors. Sitting at a cozy cafe, enjoying a cup of steaming hot coffee and watching the world go by, is an experience not to be missed. As the day draws to a close, the old town center takes on a magical quality. The golden glow of streetlights illuminates the buildings, casting a romantic ambience over the square. The sound of live music fills the air, adding to the enchantment of the place. Visiting the old town center near the astronomical tower is like stepping into a fairy tale. The blend of history, culture, and beauty creates an unforgettable experience that will stay with you long after you leave. So, take your time, immerse yourself in the rich atmosphere, and let the magic of Prague's old town center captivate your heart. Welcome to Mostek in the Museum District, a vibrant area in the heart of Prague that offers a unique blend of history, art, and culture. As we walk through the bustling streets of Mostek, we are surrounded by a lively atmosphere and a myriad of shops, cafes, and street performers. Mostek is not only a transportation hub with its bustling metro station, but it is also a popular meeting point for locals and tourists alike. One of the highlights of Mostek is the Museum District, located just a short walk away. This area is home to some of Prague's most renowned museums, showcasing a wide range of art, history, and science. The National Museum, the crown jewel of the Museum District, stands majestically at the top of Wenceslas Square. Its grand neo-Renaissance facade is an impressive sight to behold. Inside, visitors can explore a vast collection of artifacts that trace the history and culture of the Czech Republic. From ancient artifacts to modern art, the National Museum offers a comprehensive journey through time. Adjacent to the National Museum is the State Opera House, a stunning architectural masterpiece. This historic venue hosts world-class opera and ballet performances, captivating audiences with its exceptional acoustics and opulent interiors. For art enthusiasts, the Museum of Modern Art is a must-visit. It showcases an impressive collection of contemporary art from both Czech and international artists, providing a platform for artistic expression and exploration. From Museum, we hop on the Prague train station, a bustling hub that connects the city with the rest of the Czech Republic and beyond. Located in the heart of the city, Prague train station is not only a gateway to travel but also a historic landmark that reflects the city's rich architectural heritage. As we step into the train station, we are greeted by its impressive facade adorned with intricate details and ornate decorations. The grandeur of the building immediately transports us to a bygone era. Prague train station, also known as Praha Hlavní nádraží, is a prime example of Art Nouveau architecture, characterized by its elegant curves, decorative motifs, and grand entrances. Inside the train station, we are welcomed by a bustling atmosphere and the rhythmic sound of trains arriving and departing. The station is a hive of activity, with travelers from all walks of life making their way to various destinations. There are numerous ticket counters, information desks, and self-service kiosks to ensure a smooth and efficient travel experience. Welcome to the Prague Metro, an efficient and convenient way to explore the beautiful city of Prague. It consists of three main lines: Line A, Green Line, Line B, Yellow Line, and Line C, Red Line, which together connect various neighborhoods, landmarks, and important areas of the city. Trains run from early morning until midnight, and during peak hours, they are available at regular intervals. Welcome to the iconic Charles Bridge, a timeless masterpiece that connects the historic heart of Prague. This magnificent bridge stands as a symbol of the city's rich history and architectural grandeur, attracting visitors from around the world. As we step onto the Charles Bridge, we are immediately immersed in its captivating atmosphere. The bridge, built in the 14th century, spans the picturesque Volta River, offering breathtaking views of the surrounding cityscape. Its impressive length, adorned with Gothic-style towers at each end, creates a sense of grandeur and charm. The Charles Bridge is not just a pedestrian walkway, it's a vibrant hub of activity. Street performers, artists, and musicians fill the air with their talent, creating a lively and enchanting atmosphere. As we stroll across the bridge, we can admire the skilled artists painting portraits, listen to the melodies of talented musicians, and witness captivating performances that add an extra layer of charm to this already magical place. Walking along the cobblestone path, we are surrounded by a myriad of Baroque statues that line the bridge's sides. These statues depict various saints and religious figures, each with its own unique story and significance. They serve as a testament to the bridge's rich history and cultural heritage. The Charles Bridge is a place of wonder, a testament to Prague's rich past, and a gathering point for locals and visitors alike. It is a place to soak in the city's vibrant atmosphere, admire its architectural splendor, and appreciate the art and history that permeate every stone. So, whether you visit the Charles Bridge at dawn to witness the sunrise, during the day to experience its lively ambience, or at night to see it illuminated, this enchanting bridge promises an unforgettable experience. Walk its path, breathe in the history, and let the timeless beauty of the Charles Bridge leave an indelible mark on your Prague adventure. Welcome to Prague Castle, a majestic and historic landmark that stands proudly atop a hill, overlooking the beautiful city of Prague. As we approach Prague Castle, we are immediately greeted by its awe-inspiring size and architectural splendor. The castle complex, which dates back to the 9th century, boasts a mix of architectural styles, including Romanesque, Gothic, Renaissance, and Baroque, reflecting the different eras it has witnessed throughout its long history. Our journey begins at the imposing main entrance, known as the Prague Castle Gate, where we pass through the massive gates and enter into a world of enchantment. The castle complex unfolds before us, revealing stunning courtyards, elegant gardens, and a collection of magnificent buildings. One of the most prominent structures within the castle complex is the stunning St. Vitus Cathedral. This Gothic masterpiece, with its soaring spires and intricate stained glass windows, is a sight to behold. Exploring further, we come across the old royal palace, where centuries of Czech history have unfolded. Its beautiful Vladislav Hall, adorned with ornate ceilings and grand arches, served as a venue for royal banquets and coronations. The stunning architecture and historical significance of this palace make it a must-visit for any visitor to Prague Castle. Our next stop takes us to the Stefanik Observatory. Situated atop Patron Hill, this observatory offers a unique opportunity to explore the wonders of the universe and delve into the mysteries of the night sky. Named after the renowned Czech astronomer and mathematician, Milan Rastislav Stefanik, the observatory boasts a rich history dating back to its establishment in 1928. Continuing our journey, we arrive at Complex Zard Urchu Petrina, a tranquil oasis nestled on Patron Hill. This enchanting complex of gardens offers a tranquil retreat from the bustling city, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the beauty of nature and soak up breathtaking panoramic views of Prague. As we stroll through the Complex Zard, we are greeted by a variety of meticulously manicured gardens, each with its own unique charm. Continuing our exploration, we come across the Patron Lookout Tower, an iconic landmark that stands tall at the heart of the complex. This tower, often referred to as Prague's mini Eiffel Tower, offers panoramic views of the city's enchanting skyline. Climbing to the top rewards us with a breathtaking vista, allowing us to marvel at the picturesque rooftops, the majestic Volta River, and the iconic landmarks that dot the cityscape. For those seeking a bit of adventure, the Complex Zard offers the Patron Hill inclined railway. At the summit of Patron Hill, we find ourselves surrounded by lush greenery and peaceful trails, inviting us to embark on a leisurely hike or a picnic amidst nature's splendor. The serenity of the hilltop, coupled with the captivating views, creates a sense of tranquility that is hard to find elsewhere in the city. As we take a moment to soak in the beauty of Complex Zard Urchu Patron, we realize that this oasis offers not only a chance to connect with nature but also a respite from the fast-paced urban life. It's a place where we can unwind, recharge, and appreciate the simple pleasures that surround us. Our adventure concludes as we reach the picturesque Volta River, which gracefully flows through the heart of Prague. Flowing through the heart of the city, this iconic river is not just a beautiful natural feature, but also a symbol of Prague's rich history and vibrant culture. As we stand on the banks of the Volta, we are greeted by a sight that is both awe-inspiring and calming. The river's gentle current carries with it a sense of tranquility, inviting us to embark on a journey of exploration and discovery. It's no wonder that the Volta has been a muse for artists, writers, and musicians throughout the centuries. That brings us to the end of our vlog in Prague. a city that seamlessly blends history, culture, and natural beauty. We hope you've enjoyed this virtual tour, and we encourage you to explore this magical city in person someday. Until then, remember to keep exploring the world. Thank you for joining us on this adventure. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting travel content. See you next time.